Hello team! Hello millionaire makers! This is your Coach Mon Reyes and today magkakaroon na naman tayo ng short training. For today, I'm going to show you how to transfer all your earnings to your credit wallet. Bakit ba importante yan? Okay, let me remind you, dito sa Live Good, if you're doing the business, if you're sharing Live Good to many people, weekly makakatanggap ka ng earnings. Plus, meron ka pang monthly earnings. So, 5 times ka makakatanggap ng earnings in 1 month. Kailan mo matatanggap yan? After our cutoff. Ano ba yung cutoff natin? Thursday night sa US. So, that's like Friday noon sa atin. Pero, if your earnings are transferred to your credit wallet, Thursday night pa lang sa Philippines, nakikita mo na kung magkano yung earnings mo. Nare-receive mo na yung earnings mo. That's one importance of transferring your earnings to credit wallet. Ano pa? Pangalawa, ito rin yung way para matanggap mo yung earnings mo or makuha mo in cash yung earnings mo without incurring any charges. Paano yon? Peer-to-peer transaction. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So halimbawa, meron kang kilalang another member na nangangailangan ng credit wallet. All you need to do is send your credit wallet to them. Tapos sila naman ipapadala yung cash sa'yo either through GCash or bank transfer according dun sa napag-usapan yung exchange rate. O diba walang charges? So yan ang kagandahan. Kaya ini-encourage namin kayo na mag-transfer ng mga earnings nyo to credit wallet. Okay, so let me show you now how to do it. Unang-una, mag-log on kayo dun sa Live Good account nyo. What you're seeing right now is my Live Good account. And then, i-click nyo lang tong tatlong buttons na to, tatlong line na to. Yung tinatawag na burger buttons. Tapos, you go to My Earnings. Yan. Once you're there, ayan yung mga option mo, pipindutin mo lang tong Transfer Commission to Credit Wallet. Okay, pag ngayon mo lang ginagawa to, ang default niyan is do not credit any of my earnings to my credit wallet. However, ang pipiliin mo para i-transfer yung mga earnings mo to your credit wallet, itong pangatlo. I would like to credit all my earnings to my credit wallet account. Okay, once na napili mo na yan, you click Save. Okay, pag na-save mo na yan, automatic na yan. Lahat ng earnings na matatanggap mo this Thursday and every week and every month, pupunta sa credit wallet mo. At doon mo makikita, pwede mo na ngayong gamitin yung credit wallet mo. Para saan? Unang-una, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang enroll dun sa mga taong walang credit card or debit card. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin pang bayad ng subscription. Or tulad nung sinabi ko kanina, pwede mong i-peer-to-peer transaction. Pwede mong ibigay dun sa ibang members para sila mismo ang magbibigay sa iyo ng cash. Magsisend naman sa iyo nung peso na either through GCash or bank transfer. Depende sa napag-usapan nyo. Okay? So, yan yung kagandahan dyan, Kaya lahat ini-encourage ko talaga kung bago kayo dito sa group natin or medyo matagal na rin kayo, however, hindi nyo pa nagagawa to, I really encourage you to do this. Do this, transfer all your commission to your credit wallet at dun nyo na lang i-monitor kung magkano na yung earnings na pumapasok sa inyo. I'm sure na palaki lang ng palaki yan. Alright? So, I'm rooting for success for all of you. If you want more trainings like this, mga short trainings para talagang ma-equip kayo in doing the business, just follow me sa aking Facebook account. Just search for Coach Mon Reyes. And also sa YouTube account, same Coach Mon Reyes din. While you're there already, mag-subscribe na rin kayo, i-hit nyo yung notification button para pag meron akong bagong video, mano-notify kayo. Alright, so more of trainings like this to come. Just stay tuned and I wish you all the best in doing all your Live Good business. Okay, that's it for now. Bye!